babies playing in the snow. Babies! What do you guys think of the snow? Talk to Mommy. Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Play in the snow. Come here. Sasha, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's about to start sleeting. So this is nice snow while it's fluffy. Yeah, eat some snow. What do you think? What do you think of the snow? Your mommy and daddy are in lots of snow. Let me see those faces. Let me see the faces. Hey guys, what are you doing? Are you eating snow up there? You can see about how much we got. Looks like about 2 inches. Might be some more on the way. Yummy snow. Say hi. Anna, say hi. What is that? Huh? What is that? Abby, that's a plant. Okay, come on. Let's go back inside. Come on, inside, where it's warm. Come on, kids. Cookies. Hey, come on. Leave the plant alone. Let's go. Inside. Come on. Come on, here we go. Come on, inside.